Hi, this is Jackie with WTI, and it would just be wrong of me not to share with you my all-time favorite eyeliner to do cat eye, and that is this NYX waterproof professional retractable eyeliner. I use the shade brown because, in my opinion, it is just the perfect shade for me to give a dramatic look, but not too dramatic like black would. The retractable eyeliner is perfect for me because I don't want to have to sharpen. So I literally have like 3 or 4 of these in my bag at all times because I can't live without it. And if I run out, I don't know what to do because this is the eyeliner for me. So anyway, I love the way you can, this is what I'm wearing, and you can see how easy it is to apply. It is waterproof, so it stays on all day, but it's not like a liquid eyeliner in that it doesn't budge. So you can still like use your finger to give it a sharper point at the end if you need to. You can clean it up, but it still stays in place and it doesn't tug on your eyelid. It goes so smooth. It's just the perfect consistency as well. Oh, it's just my all-time favorite. Easy to apply, easy to use. Perfect shade in my opinion for me. That's the NYX retractable eyeliner, but that's just my point of view.